Good morning, Leo. It is time for us to finally start cleaning the house now.
Good morning, Mia. You are absolutely right. The house looks very messy today after the busy week.
We have many rooms to clean thoroughly. We should divide all the work equally today between us.
That is very fair. What specific part of the big cleaning process should I start with today first?
You should start with the kitchen. It has many dirty dishes and surfaces that need wiping.
Okay, I will take the kitchen first. I will wash all the dirty dishes in the sink right now.
Thank you. I will take care of the living room and all the main furniture pieces here.
After I wash the dishes, should I also remember to wipe down the kitchen counter surfaces?
Yes, please wipe all the kitchen counters and the table with the special blue cloth.
I will use the special yellow cleaning spray for the kitchen counter surfaces to make them sparkle.
Good. I need to vacuum the living room floor before I start dusting everything on the shelves.
Where exactly is the vacuum cleaner machine kept in the house? I seem to have forgotten where it is.
The vacuum cleaner is stored in the small closet next to the main front door.
Ah, I found the vacuum cleaner in the closet now. I will bring it out later when I finish the kitchen.
Let's focus on the kitchen first. Do you need any help with the mountain of dirty dishes?
No, I can definitely handle the dishes alone. I just need to find some more dish soap.
The dish soap is stored under the kitchen sink next to the large recycling bin.
Thank you. I will go and find the dish soap now and start washing the dishes immediately.
When you finish the kitchen, please come and help me with the living room furniture and shelves.
I will be fast in the kitchen. I want to finish the cleaning quickly so we can relax today.
Me too. We can relax after we finish cleaning all the rooms thoroughly and successfully.
Okay, I am going to the kitchen now to start washing. I will see you soon, Mia.
Good luck with the dishes, Leo. I will see you in the living room when the sink is empty. Hello, Leo. I came to check on your progress here in the kitchen. How is the dishwashing going?
Hello, Mia. The dishwashing is going very well, and the sink is almost empty now.
That is great to hear. You are working very fast today with all the dirty plates and cups.
I found the dish soap exactly where you said it was, under the sink. It smells very fresh.
Good. Make sure you rinse the soap completely off all the glasses before you put them away to dry.
I am rinsing all the glasses and the metal cutlery very carefully now with the running water.
When you finish the last cooking pot, you also need to wipe down all the main kitchen counter space.
Yes, I remember that task. I will use the yellow spray and the clean blue cloth for the counters.
Use extra spray near the stove, as that area is very greasy from the cooking we did last night.
I will use extra spray near the stove immediately. Should I also clean the small window above the sink?
No, the windows are scheduled for cleaning next week. Just focus on the flat surfaces today.
Okay,
Flat surfaces only. Should I put the small rug outside the back door for you to shake it?
Yes, please put the kitchen floor rug outside now. It needs some fresh air and sunlight.
Done. The kitchen counter looks quite clean now after all the spraying.
Let me see. It looks much better, but there is still some sugar near the small coffee machine.
Oh, I completely missed that little spot near the coffee machine. I will wipe it immediately now.
Also, wipe the door of the refrigerator. It has some dirty fingerprints on the handle area.
I forgot the refrigerator door handle. I will clean it now with the same blue cloth and spray.
Thank you, Leo. The entire kitchen already looks much tidier than it did 1 hour ago.
The kitchen is finally finished now. All the dishes are dry and the counters are sparkling clean.
You did an excellent job, Leo. Now, come and help me with the important living room cleaning tasks.
I will bring the cleaning spray and cloth with me to the living room, just in case we need them there.
Leave the kitchen items here, please. We need the heavy vacuum cleaner next in the living room.
Ah, yes, the vacuum cleaner. I will get it from the storage closet by the front door now.
I have the vacuum cleaner ready to go. Should I start vacuuming the living room floor first, Mia?
Yes, please start the vacuuming. Make sure you get all the dirt underneath the sofa edges.
I will move the sofa slightly away from the wall to vacuum under it thoroughly.
Thank you. I will start my job now, which is dusting all the shelves and tables.
This vacuum cleaner is very strong. I hope it gets all the small dirt particles.
It is very strong. When you finish the floor, please use the small brush attachment for the corners.
Okay, I will use the small brush attachment for all the tricky, dusty corners of the room.
Leo, please do not forget to vacuum the front entrance area as well.
I forgot the entrance area. I will vacuum that path before I turn the machine off.
When you finish the vacuuming completely, you need to help me with the high shelves.
The high shelves are very dusty. Which attachment should I use for those shelves?
Use the long, narrow hose attachment. It reaches much higher than your hand can go.
I will look for the long, narrow hose attachment now. Is it in the closet with the machine?
Yes, it is in the same box. But first, check the dust on the television screen here.
I see the dust on the screen. Should I use a wet cloth or a dry cloth for the television?
Use a very dry and soft cloth for the television screen, please. No water is needed.
I will use the yellow cloth. I do not want to damage the expensive television screen.
You are doing a great job, Leo. The living room already smells much cleaner now.
The floor is completely finished now. I have vacuumed the entire room, including the entrance.
Excellent. Now, please help me dust the tops of the tall bookcases over there.
I have the long attachment ready. I will start dusting the bookcases from the top.
Thank you for your hard work. After this, we only have 2 more big rooms left to clean.
Good! The faster we work now, the sooner we can sit down and rest later.
Okay, Leo, let's move on to the bedroom. We need to make this space much tidier now.
I agree. The first task here should be putting all the scattered clothes away into the closet.
That is a great idea. You handle the clothes on the floor, and I will tidy the bed sheets.
I see a large pile of dirty clothes here. Should I put all of them into the washing machine now?
Yes, please put all the dirty clothes into the washing machine. We need to start a load immediately.
I will put the clothes into the machine. Do we use the blue liquid detergent or the powdered detergent today?
Use the blue liquid detergent for this load. The white box of powder is only for the towels.
Okay, blue liquid detergent it is. What setting should I select on the washing machine dial?
Select the quick wash setting. It takes only 30 minutes for this small load of clothes.
Quick wash is selected. I will press the start button for the washing machine now.
Thank you. While the machine is running, we need to tidy the top of the chest of drawers.
The chest of drawers is full of small, random objects and papers. It looks very messy.
Please put all the papers into one neat stack on the desk over there.
I am stacking all the papers now. Should I throw away these empty water bottles?
Yes, please take all the empty bottles out of the room and put them into the recycling bin.
I will take the bottles out now. What should I do with the books on the floor?
Put all the books back onto the bedside table neatly. They need to be off the carpet.
All the books are now on the table. The room looks much better without the mess on the floor.
It definitely does. Now, please help me change the sheets on the bed quickly.
Changing the sheets is easy. You take one end and I will take the other end of the sheet.
Perfect teamwork. After this, we will move on to the final room, the bathroom.
I hope the bathroom does not take too much time to clean completely.
It will be fast. You can clean the mirror, and I will clean the shower tiles.
That is a fair division of labor. Let's move to the bathroom next.
This is the last difficult room. We can finish the bathroom very quickly if we work together.
I agree. You said I could clean the mirror and the counter area first, right?
That is correct. Please use the blue glass cleaner for the mirror. It leaves no streaks.
Where is the blue glass cleaner stored? I only see the white bottle under the sink.
The blue bottle is on the shelf above the toilet. That is for glass surfaces only.
I found the blue cleaner. I will spray the large mirror now and wipe it with a paper towel.
Excellent. While you clean the mirror, I will put on my yellow gloves to clean the shower.
I see the shower tiles have a lot of soap residue on them. What product should you use?
I will use the strong white cream cleaner and the brush for the tiles and the tub.
Be careful not to splash the strong white cream cleaner onto the clean floor.
I will be careful. When you finish the mirror, please wipe the sink and the taps as well.
I will wipe the sink and the taps with the multi-surface spray and a dry cloth.
That spray works well for chrome taps. Make them shine brightly, please.
The mirror is perfectly clean now, Mia. I can see my reflection very clearly.
Great job! Did you remember to wipe the toothbrush holder area near the tap?
Oh, I forgot the toothbrush holder. I will clean that small area immediately now.
Thank you. I am almost done scrubbing the shower tiles. They look much whiter now.
What should I do with the used paper towels and the old cleaning cloth now?
Throw the used paper towels into the small trash bin in the corner, please.
Done. The entire counter area is now dry and completely clean.
I am finishing up the shower. The only thing left is to quickly clean the floor.
I can quickly mop the small bathroom floor now before we leave the room.
That is a great final idea. The mop is hanging behind the bathroom door.
I will mop the floor quickly. The house will be completely clean after this small final task.
I finished mopping the bathroom floor. I think all the cleaning is finally done now.
Let's quickly walk through the rooms one last time to make sure everything is perfect.
The kitchen is spotless, the living room floor is shiny, and the dust is gone completely.
The bathroom sparkles, and the bedroom sheets are tidy and fresh on the bed.
The washing machine has finished the cycle too. We should put those clothes on the rack later.
Yes, we will hang the clothes later. For now, the entire house is completely clean.
That was a lot of hard work, but we finished all the tasks much faster than last week.
We worked very well together. Teamwork made the huge cleaning job very quick today.
I am feeling very tired now. I need to sit down and rest my feet for a long time.
Me too. We definitely deserve a long rest and a nice drink after all that effort.
Can I make us both a warm cup of coffee right now in the clean kitchen?
That is a wonderful idea, Leo. A warm cup of coffee sounds perfect for relaxing.
I will quickly go make the coffee now and bring it to the sofa here in the living room.
Thank you. I will turn on some quiet music and put my feet up while I wait.
Here is your warm coffee, Mia. Be careful, it is very hot.
Thank you. Mia takes a sip. This coffee tastes amazing after all that cleaning work.
It does. It is so much nicer to relax in a completely clean and fresh house, isn't it?
It is the best feeling. It was worth all the hard work we did this morning together.
What should we do for the rest of this beautiful afternoon? No more work today.
Let's stay on the sofa and watch a funny movie. No more moving required at all.
A funny movie and comfortable sofa time sounds like the perfect reward for our efforts.
I agree. Cheers to a completely clean house and a peaceful afternoon.